Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best chocolate selection is probably one of the most delightful and universally loved treats, offering a symphony of flavors and textures that can transport you to a state of pure bliss with every bite. From the rich, dark intensity of cocoa to the creamy sweetness of milk chocolate, and the subtle nuances of white chocolate, a well-curated selection promises a journey for your taste buds. Whether you're indulging in a moment of personal pleasure or sharing with loved ones, the experience of exploring a variety of premium chocolates is an unparalleled joy, making it a perfect gift or a well-deserved personal treat. Number 5. Ferrero Collection Gourmet Gift Box. Share the indulgent taste of this assorted confection box. It features 48 individually wrapped treats for everyone to enjoy. Indulge in the original hazelnut milk chocolate, creamy coconut, and rich dark chocolate. Each bite is an exquisite experience. These confections are expertly crafted with premium ingredients. They deliver a decadent taste with every single bite. Make Valentine's Day feel extra special. This gift assortment is the perfect way to show your love. This premium mix of fine confections comes in an elegant gift box. It's the perfect Valentine's Day gift idea. What we like. This selection offers a delightful variety of 3 distinct chocolate experiences. If you appreciate a mix of textures and flavors, from nutty to creamy to dark, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for sharing or as a thoughtful gift for someone special. What people say. The box arrived nicely packed and undamaged. The chocolates weren't melted or damaged. This particular box contains 3 different flavors, which are all so mouth-wateringly delicious. Especially, the coconut ones. The size of each chocolate is a perfect bite to satisfy a sweet craving. Number 4. Neuhaus Belgian Chocolate Classic Ballotin. Discover the exquisite taste of Neuhaus Belgian chocolates. Our classic Ballotin offers a delightful assortment of milk, dark, and white chocolate pralines. Indulge in a variety of fillings, from smooth praline and rich ganache to creamy gianduja. Each piece is a unique journey for your palate. This 0.5 lb box contains 18 carefully crafted chocolates, perfect for sharing or savoring yourself. As the creators of the Belgian praline, we continue to innovate while staying true to our heritage. Each chocolate is proudly made in Belgium. We use only fair and natural ingredients, sourced sustainably from around the world. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence with no GMOs or palm oil. Our specialists select the finest ingredients to create a perfect symphony of taste and texture. Every component is of 100% natural origin. What we like. Experience the authentic taste of Belgian chocolate, crafted with care and natural ingredients. If you are a true connoisseur seeking high-quality pralines with rich fillings and a commitment to sustainability, this is the selection for you. It's ideal for those who value tradition and exquisite flavor. What people say. This product is no different than the chocolate we bought in Belgium. It's just as delicious and is a product from Belgium. This contains dark, milk, and white chocolate. It has a nice, creamy texture, and even the milk chocolate pieces taste good. The way the box was packaged with an ice bag in aluminum foil makes sure the chocolates arrived ready to eat. Number 3. HERSHEY'S, KITKAT, REESE'S Assorted Chocolate Variety Box. Get ready for a chocolate lover's dream. This variety box brings together 3 iconic brands for a truly satisfying experience. With a delicious mix of milk chocolate treats, there's a perfect candy to please every single person at your next gathering. From family get-togethers and movie nights to tailgates and campfires, these assorted chocolates are the ideal companion. Each of the 18 full-size candy bars is individually wrapped, making them perfect for vending machines, fundraising, or simply sharing. Make every celebration sweeter. These are perfect for graduations, birthdays, back to school, and all your special dates. Enjoy these delightful chocolates filled with peanut butter, solid chocolate, and crisp wafers throughout the year for any holiday. What we like. This assortment brings together beloved American chocolate icons for a crowd-pleasing experience. If you're looking for familiar favorites with different textures like smooth chocolate, crispy wafers, and creamy peanut butter, this is the perfect pick. It's ideal for parties, family gatherings, or satisfying diverse sweet cravings. What people say. The Kit Kat snapped as it should, clean and precise. The Hershey's melted evenly, smooth and dependable. The Reese's had that bold peanut butter bite that makes the sweetness matter. Great size for concession stand. Chocolate bars were fresh and delicious even in hot summer weather. Number 2. Dickies Men's Short Sleeve Work Shirt. Introducing the Dickies Men's Short Sleeve Work Shirt. Designed for durability and comfort, it's perfect for your daily tasks. Crafted from a durable twill fabric, this shirt is built to withstand the demands of your workday. It offers long-lasting wear without compromising on comfort. Experience lightweight comfort with this breathable shirt. Its design ensures you stay cool and comfortable, even during long hours. Featuring a classic button-down style, this shirt offers a neat and professional look. It's versatile enough for work or casual wear. Whether for daily wear or as part of a uniform, this shirt provides a reliable and stylish option. It's a staple for any hardworking individual. Enjoy the convenience of easy care and maintenance. This shirt is designed to look good with minimal effort, saving you time. What we like? This option focuses on practical, everyday wear with a durable and comfortable design. If you need reliable clothing for work or daily activities that can withstand regular use, this is a solid choice. It's perfect for those who prioritize functionality and long-lasting quality in their apparel. What people say. The chocolates are individually wrapped, making them perfect for sharing or enjoying one at a time. This selection includes a variety of classic flavors, such as milk chocolate, dark chocolate, and caramel, offering something for everyone. The packaging is elegant and makes for a beautiful gift presentation. Number 1. Cocoa Classics Cocoa Mix Variety Pack. Indulge in the delightful taste of our variety pack. It offers a selection of rich and satisfying chocolate flavors for every craving. Whether it's a cozy morning or a relaxing evening, this mix is your perfect companion. Enjoy a warm cup of chocolatey goodness anytime. Explore a range of delicious cocoa options with this convenient variety pack. Each sachet promises a unique and comforting chocolate experience. Making a delicious cup is effortless. Just add hot water or milk and stir for a smooth, flavorful treat that's ready in moments. Bring smiles to your family and friends with these individual servings. It's a wonderful way to share a moment of warmth and sweetness. When you need a chocolatey escape, reach for this assortment. It's the easy and delicious way to satisfy your sweet tooth. What we like? Enjoy a range of rich cocoa experiences with this convenient variety pack. If you love a good cup of hot chocolate and appreciate having different flavor options readily available, this is for you. It's perfect for quick, comforting treats on chilly days or for satisfying a chocolate craving with ease. What people say. The chocolates are individually wrapped, which keeps them fresh and makes them easy to share. This selection includes a good variety of classic chocolate flavors, from milk to dark. The presentation box is elegant and makes it a perfect gift option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.